Not all VPNs are created equal, and now Google is stepping in to make sure your privacy is actually protected. Google Play will now verify VPNs that prioritize security and privacy, ensuring Android users get safer and more trustworthy options. But what does this mean for you? And will your favorite VPN still be available? Let's break it down. For years, shady VPN apps have been flooding the Google Play Store, many of them collecting user data, injecting ads, and even tracking your online activity instead of protecting it. With this new verification system, Google aims to filter out unsafe VPNs and highlight those that meet strict privacy standards. So, how does this verification work? Let's take a look. 2. How Google will verify VPNs. Google's new policy requires VPN developers to meet certain security and transparency standards. To get verified, a VPN must: on-screen list with check marks appearing, prove it doesn't collect or sell, user data, follow strict encryption and security standards, disclose how it works and what data it uses, pass Google's independent security audits. This means VPNs that log your data, inject ads, or operate in shady ways might soon be removed, or at least flagged as unverified. Text on screen. Unverified VPNs x potential privacy risk. S3. Will your favorite VPN pass the test? So, what about the VPN you're using right now? Many big names like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and ProtonVPN already follow strict privacy policies, so they are likely to get verified. But free and lesser-known VPNs, they might not make the cut. If you're using a free VPN, you'll definitely want to check whether it meets Google's new security standards. 4. What this means for Android users. For Android users, this is great news. It means fewer scammy VPNs, more transparency, and better security. However, it also means that some VPNs may disappear from the Play Store or may need to change their policies to stay listed. So before downloading your next VPN, always check for the Google Verified badge to make sure you're getting the best protection. What do you think about Google Play's new VPN verification? Will it make Android users safer, or is it just another policy change? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on tech and privacy. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.